Hi, my dear friends. I'm Vasanti speaking from Sri Abhirami Mahavaragi. Today is August 20th, Friday of 2021. This is a very auspicious day for Goddess Mahalakshmi, and she's called as Varalakshmi. This interesting story is a real story and a very fascinating story. A lady from Maharashtra. She's uh, she's called as Chandra Chandramurti. Actually, her name is Chandramurti, and she was continuously Chandramurti Lekha. I think so. She was continuously. She is a greatest devotee of Goddess Mahalakshmi. Once in a dream, in this month, particularly this month of Shravana month, which falls on Adi Masam in Tamil, Shravana month, Adi Masam in Tamil. She has dreamt that Mahalakshmi has come to her, towards her, and she said that you should have me as Varalakshmi and pray at your home with all that puja kalasa, with ornaments, with silk sari in that kalasa, and a beautiful face of mine made in silver. And you just give all the offerings of sweets, abhishekam and archana for me. This was it. And this devotee shared to her family. And they were, all the family members supported her, and from that day onwards, her nearby group females and everyone joined the Varalakshmi Nodu. Varam means boon, and so Mahalakshmi gives boon to the family who prays Varalakshmi Pujai, who conducts Varalakshmi Pujai. This Varalakshmi Pujai falls on Shravana month of waxing moon, This is very auspicious and very enlightened function conducted throughout Kerala, Andhra, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and South India people, Tamil Nadu people. Everyone conducts this function as in a very grand mode. And Lakshmi Mahalakshmi, and in that day, in that particular day of this day, if you pray that on Friday, it falls on Friday. If you pray on, it falls on the second week of this Shravana month, or before full moon day, Purnima day. This is it. And whoever conducts this function in a grand, beautiful way, not only grand, even it's grand means it's in mind actually. Whatever we could afford, we have to put a kalasa, we have to put a leaf, banana leaf, and keep all the sweets, chakra pongal, sweet pongal, vada, and sewing some, all those payasam which really she likes, Mahalakshmi likes. Goddess Mahalakshmi says that she says that if the devotee pray on the particular day, it is equivalent praying to the Ashtalakshmi. Ashtalakshmi for giving fame, name, wisdom. Adi Lakshmi, she is the protector. Dhanalakshmi, she gives prosperity. Dhanya Lakshmi for nutrition. Sandana Lakshmi for progeny. And Mahalakshmi for wealth. Saraswati, all the Lakshmis, they give wisdom, everything. Vidya Lakshmi for wisdom, which Vidya Lakshmi is equivalent to goddess Saraswati. She gives wisdom and education. And all the 8 Lakshmis, they get Ashtalakshmis, they get very satisfied if a devotee pray on this particular day annually. This is the day where they keep new saris, the puja, they give blouse bits to everyone. And nowadays, if you see in every spiritual shops or any shop, fancy shops, you can see that they give a this thing gift pack containing Mangala Sutra, Sinduram, turmeric, blouse, and whatever gifts they want to give. This is in modern days it has come in a beautiful packets at various rates, and in even spiritual shops like Giri Trading, they sell that in a very vast number. They get orders, all the devotees get orders. They ask people, women to come to that Varalakshmi puja, and they give a string as Mangala Sutra, and they wear it in Saradu, which is also called as Nombu Kairu, thread, sacred thread, with a where they tie in the wrist of a female, right wrist of a female. This is Lord Venkateshwara and Lord Venkateshwara, Lord Venkatachalapati. He is very satisfied, and he is the husband of Ashtalakshmi. He is called Ashtalakshmi Padi. Ashtalakshmi's Padi he is. And in Tiruchanur, the temple of Tirupati for goddess, awesome goddess Alamelu Mankai. It is conducted, this Varalakshmi Nobbu is conducted, puja is conducted in a very big form. And all the Gurukul priests, they keep everything in there. People have to pay, and they keep everything in the sanctum of Alamelu Mangai, goddess Alamelu Mangai, and they just dispatch to the courier office to the concerned address of the devotees. They just believe that from goddess Alamelu Mangai Tiruchanur in Tirupati, if they get that everything, the devotees, the gift of Mangala Sutra, Karkandu and Sinduram, turmeric paste, everything is auspicious with the goddess photo with Venkatachalapati. It is very auspicious, and the whole year will be very happy for them with immense prosperity. That is it. This is a beautiful function with for goddess Varalakshmi. Goddess Varalakshmi, she actually smiles through the idol. Actually, I have sensed that people, lots of devotees have sensed that. They keep a banana leaf, spray all the raw rice, then keep the kalasam with vastras, beautiful dressings, either with saris, and they wear bangles, they wear ornaments, they wear long hair for her, they keep lots of jasmine flowers for her, they do that archana, abhishek, everything. They keep it in a coconut with fiber. That kalasam will be kept in a coconut with fiber. Panju Tengai. It is meant as Panju Tengai. Then after 4 or 5 days, they used to take that and used to cook all the raw rice there. In cooking, they add in cooking. This is the process where Varalakshmi Nobbu is, how the Varalakshmi Nobbu is, puja is conducted. People throughout India, all over the states. They conduct this function in a very beautiful and very smiling face. With smiling face, they chant all the mantras of Mahalakshmi, and they give good vibration to the home with lots of incense sticks, with camphor, with sambrani, everything, with perfume sambrani or herbal sambrani. And throughout the house they keep lamps, ghee lamps, that day after 5 to 6, after 5 o'clock evening. The puja will be conducted morning or evening. Devotees ask the nearby neighbor to come and have their dinner and just participate in the puja and have their dinner or lunch. And they will be gifted, spiritual gifts will be given. That is it. Beautiful gifts will be given. That is the gifts from Goddess Varalakshmi. This is the beautiful story of Goddess Lakshmi. Let us tell a mantra of Lakshmi. Mula mantra of Lakshmi. Om Shri Reem Shri Kamale Kamalalaye Prasita Prasita Sagala Saubhakya Dehime Shri Harim Shri Mahalakshmi Namah. This is the Mula mantra of Mahalakshmi. This we can chant for 6 times, 15 times or 33 times or 24 times. But 33 times is the best. But in case if you don't have, please try to chant. If you don't have time restricted, only if you have a restricted time, you just chant for 6 times with great involvement. And she is ready to bless all of us. Please post your golden comments. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye. This is the throughout India, all the Shakti Pidas they will be conducting Lakshmi Puja in a very beautiful way, and the people throng, all the devotees throng to the temple and at home also. This function is conducted both in home and temple also. Thank you, stay blessed.